In 2 steps loading, cargoes are loaded onto pallets first, then into containers or trucks or trailers. Normally, it's assumed that only one palletizing result exists within the maximum pallet height. But with LoadMaster, different pallet heights are generated based on 2 different rules. First, under fixed intermediate unit heights, software prioritizes maximizing pallet space within max height. Remaining cargo is then loaded onto one pallet. Second, under dynamic intermediate unit heights, software dynamically generates pallet layers to maximize container space. Example, for 40 GP container type, under fixed heights, one layer of pallets as high as 148 cm, 143 cm, and 133 cm are made. But with dynamic heights, 2 layers of 143 cm and 83 cm are created. The former load plan uses 31 pallets and 240 GP. The latter one uses 40 pallets and 140 GP. Result? Fixed height may use fewer pallets, but dynamic height optimizes container space. Which to choose? Try both rules and see the loading results.